Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over some of the updates to the website, along with some of the things that you might have missed out on last week. So let's get into the video. Last Tuesday, I covered a bunch of different YouTube short videos showing different repairs that were quite fun and complex. If you haven't taken a look at that video, I highly recommend it, as we talk about a variety of different repairs so that you can open the possibilities of repairs that you can perform. On Wednesday, I covered replacing the connector on the 5G antenna. Sometimes this gets damaged, and so I show how straightforward it can be to replace it, and also a slightly more complicated version of what it looks like to repair a really damaged one. On Thursday, I covered an iPhone 14 Pro Max that had a green screen issue. Went over some of the methods to troubleshoot it, along with the solution to fix it. For those of you that were wondering, the lines going down the side of the display there were simply because I was testing an iPhone 14 Pro Max screen on an iPhone 14 Pro. So going over the solution of how to fix this was quite fun, and you guys seem to enjoy it. So if you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend you check it out, and let me know in the comments below if there's something else you'd like to see in a future video. On Friday, we went over replacing the outer shell on an Xbox controller, making it a clear mod. This one was quite fun, so if you haven't checked out that video, I definitely recommend it. Something I'd also like to mention is our Buyback Program that now covers the Galaxy Flip and Fold screens. As you can see here, the Galaxy Z Fold, all the way from the original to the Z Fold 6, and the Galaxy Z Flips from the Flip 3 all the way through the Flip 6. Also now in stock, refurbished and genuine OEM replacement parts for 2025 Motorola models, including screens, cameras, back cover glass, mid-frame housing, SIM card trays, vibrators, and more. And there has been a price drop on pre-owned budget-friendly devices. I know a lot of you have clientele that go for the cheaper stuff or want something for their kids. So these are definitely options for those of you that find that niche. And something that I'm really excited about is the TBK 958ZE UV laser machine for screen separation, display frame disassembly, and of course back cover removal. For those of you that refurbish, being able to laser the OCA without damaging the display so that the glass comes off like butter makes a world of difference, as that's one of the more complicated parts of the process. Along with lasering off the display frame bezel, as that adhesive can be quite annoying when trying to refurbish. And of course, going to the back cover removal, being able to laser off the back adhesive and paint so that a back glass removal goes much smoother. Although this machine carries a higher price tag, especially when it comes to hitting all three of these things, this machine pays for itself extremely quickly. If there's something that you'd like to see in a future video, let me know. Or if there's something on the website, a tool, or a specific repair that you'd like to see, comment it down below. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.